Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Huawei launched their new smartphone with a 5G Nova 8 SE with 64 megapixel camera and 66-watt super fast charging. Huawei introduced the Nova 7 SE back in April, and after more than 6 months, the company has announced its successor Nova 8 SE. The Nova 8 SE is just 7.46mm thick, weight is 178 grams, and has designed largely reminiscent of the iPhone 12 with a flat frames and a squircle-shaped island on the back. The latter housed a 64 megapixel primary camera, 8 megapixel ultrawide unit, and two megapixel module for macro and depth information. The Nova 8 SE is built around 6.53-inch FHD plus OLED display that has a water drop notch for the 16 megapixel selfie camera. It also has a fingerprint scanner underneath for a biometric authentication and support HDR10. Under the hood, the Nova 8 SE has Dimensity 720 chipset, but there is also High Edition that has a Dimensity 800U at the helium. Both variants come with 8 gigs of RAM and 128GB storage and run Android 10 based on the EMUI 10.1 out of the box. Keeping the light on is 3800 mAh battery, which is smaller than the current industry standard phones, but it supports 66-watt super fast charging, which promise to juice up the cell from flat 0 to 60% in just 15 minutes and 100% in another 20 minutes. The rest of the highlight of the Huawei Nova 8 as including a USB-C port, 3.5mm headphone jack, Bluetooth 5.1 and dual SIM support and dual band Wi-Fi. Both the Dimensity 720 and Dimensity 800U powered models of the Nova 8 SE support 5G network, but the high edition offer 5G connectivity on both SIMs, whereas the standard edition support the next generation network only on the primary SIM. The Huawei Nova 8 SE has a 4-color option and will go on sale in China from November 11. The standard edition is priced at around 2,599 yuan, equal $399, and the high edition, well, price is Chinese yuan 2,699 yuan, equal $410. So this is the latest Huawei Nova 8 SE smartphone, which is already fast supercharging at 64 megapixel camera, 5G. So this is another great smartphone. Let me know in the comment section, are you like this smartphone, and make sure to like this video, subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll see you in my next video. Peace out. Bye.